Dear students, just I want to introduce about medical ethics. 5 principles of medical ethics. A, B, C, D, E. A for autonomy, B for beneficence, C for confidentiality, D for damage-free medical practice, E for equal justice. Whatever we are doing in medical practice, we are working for the benefit of the patient. A for autonomy. Autonomy means we have to respect the autonomy of the patient. For example, during the course of the treatment, patient in a position to take his own decision. Autonomy means without any external influence. Doctor should not confuse the patient. Patient in a position to take his own decision without any external influence. That's why we have to safeguard the autonomy. How we are going to safeguard the autonomy of the patient? By informing his disease condition, diagnosis, prognosis, treatment options, results of the tests, everything in detail, clearly, in a position to understand, so that he can take his own decision. He can select the choice of investigation, treatment, and he can opt his own. That is the purpose of maintaining the autonomy of the patient. Number 2 is the beneficence. We are working for the benefit of the patient. At the end of the treatment, he should be benefited by cure or clarity or some good prognosis. That is beneficence. C for confidentiality. Whatever the secrets we are coming in to know about the patient, we should maintain utmost secrecy. We should not disclose his disease diagnosis, prognosis to the irrelevant persons. She can discuss for the benefit of the patient with his neighbors, with his legal responsibilities, caretakers, and referral doctors, not with others. Some notifiable diseases he can inform about the condition of the patient to the authorized officers in case of notifiable disease, and otherwise he has to maintain utmost secrecy of the patient details. That is confidentiality. D for damage-free medical practice. If you are attracting any damage, it will called be as a medical negligence. So you should always take care of with the patient, not going to harm the patient. That is non-maleficence or damage-free medical practice. E for equal justice. Irrespective of the social status, economical status, or any religion, we have to treat the patient. In myth, once upon a time, Lakshmana, this in Ramayana, I'm telling about the story of the Ramayana during the war season, when the Lakshmana, brother of Rama, is seriously injured or comatose at a time. By that time, Hanuma went to the Lanka and asking the help of that doctor of the Rakshasa. Actually, he is the doctor who is working for the enemy side. Even then, basing on medical ethics, the doctor of Lanka came to the camp of the enemy, that is towards Rama, and advising Sanjeevani for the rescue of the Lakshmana. That is about medical ethics, equal justice. Even soldiers of enemy country are deserve to seek treatment. Thank you.